Hey friends, who's hungry? There's nothing quite like the flavor of homemade salsa, especially when it's made fresh with garden-grown ingredients. First, we will need to chop all our ingredients. You can do this by hand, but if you have a food processor, it makes this much faster. You'll need to chop 7 Roma tomatoes, half a cup or 1/2 of a medium white onion, and 2 cloves of garlic. 1 jalapeno pepper that has been halved and seeded, and 1/4 cup of fresh cilantro. In a large mixing bowl, measure 1/4 teaspoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1 teaspoon of white vinegar. Add the chopped vegetables and stir to combine. Add additional salt if needed. Serve with tortilla chips, spoon over grilled chicken or fish, or mix into scrambled eggs for a fresh twist on breakfast. Looking for more recipes? Watch my next video and be sure to subscribe to my channel.